Hey, hey, are you still a landlord? I used to be a landlord, but I walked away from it. You know why? Of course you do. If you're a landlord, you know exactly why I walked away. As a matter of fact, when I walked away, I decided I'd never go back. The only reason I was even a landlord to begin with is because I wanted to have cash flow. Well, I found a way to get cash flow from real estate without being a landlord. And that's what I do now. When I found this way, I dumped all my real estate. In over a 4-year period, I converted all my bricks and mortar into paper. And that's what I'm talking about, guys, investing in mortgage notes, buying paper. So now, instead of collecting rent every month, I collect interest. Hello, I love it. I get money from the property, but I don't have to deal with the property at all. I love it. If you want to know how I do this, then you need to go to my website, investbrilliantly.com. That's investbrilliantly.com, and I'll be happy to show you on that site how you can do what I do. And get this, the very best part is I'm able to finance my entire portfolio, and I don't have to qualify for any financing, and I use other people's money to make those deals happen. That's right. Sounds too good to be true? Well, get over to investbrilliantly.com and check it out. If you think it's too good to be true, then don't follow up with me. If you think it sounds really good and you want to know more, just click the link on my website, schedule an appointment with me, and I'll be happy to show you exactly how I build $1 million investment portfolio using other people's money on real estate that I don't even have to own, but yet I get paid on every month. Oh! It's fabulous, guys. You guys need to check this out. I'll talk to you soon.